Hello! In this video, I'll be going over IELTS General Writing Task 1. I'll go over the kinds of essay you can expect and a little bit on how you can write them. So if you have questions about the IELTS Writing Task 1, this video is perfect for you. Now overall, the best strategy to have is to have one introduction paragraph and 3 body paragraphs. That means one body paragraph for each bullet point that you'll see later in the prompt. And it's optional to have one concluding paragraph, but that's up to you and your style. Let's go into more detail of what kind of letters or topics you can expect. By far, the most popular type of letter you'll write is a formal one. Example of this is a formal complaint or concern. Here's the prompt. You've heard that a developer plans to build a shopping center near your home. Write a letter to the council. In your letter, say how you heard about the plan, explain how you feel about it, and ask for more information about it. So you can tell by the topic, this would be more formal because you're writing to a stranger. Also quite popular is an informal letter to a friend or maybe a family member. And here's the prompt. You've arranged to visit a friend in Canada, but an important event at home now means that you must change the dates of the visit. Write a letter to your friend. In your letter, explain the important event, apologize for the situation, and suggest a new arrangement. The least popular is the semi-formal letter. This is to someone you know, but again, it might be a colleague or maybe a landlord. And here's a prompt that's a good example. You're renting a flat from an agency. Your contract was for 1 year, but you need to leave the flat 2 months early. Write a letter to the agency. In your letter, introduce yourself, ask to leave the flat before the contract finishes, and explain why you need to break the contract. Okay, now I'm going to show you a long list of topics or letters that you could see on an IELTS General Task 1. I'm not going to read them all, I'm just going to show you to you on the screen, but this is what you can expect, and you can use your sense to see whether it's formal, informal, or semi-formal, because basically all those topics mean is whether you know the person well and how much of a stranger they are. Okay, well I hope you found that useful. That's what you can expect on a General Writing Task 1, and I wish you the best of luck on your next IELTS test.